Tener en mente. Tener en mente. What does this mean? This means to keep in mind. This is another good phrase and another essential phrase to learn in Spanish. Let's break this down. Tener means to have. In Spanish, we have to keep, right? So it's not a literal translation. En mente, mente, la mente. This is a noun and it means mind. By the way, it's a feminine noun. Tener en mente, the whole phrase means to keep in mind. Now let's look at some examples using this phrase. Ten en mente lo que dije. Ten en mente lo que dije. This means keep in mind what I told you. Okay. Let's break this down. Ten is the verb tener conjugated. Ten means have. It's a command. You can use it in situations when you want to say have something. For example, ten paciencia, have patience. Or ten una buena noche, have a good night. Isn't that interesting? But anyways, in this situation, it means keep. En mente is the rest of the phrase that we're learning, and it means in mind. So ten en mente means keep in mind. Lo que, this phrase here means what? Okay, we're not asking questions here. We're just saying keep in mind what it refers to, and it refers to something. So ten en mente lo que means keep in mind what, ... Te, and te is similar to saying you. Okay, in this situation, te is a reflexive pronoun. You can say, for example, te amo, I love you. So te refers to you. Okay? Remember, reflexive pronouns work really well with different verbs, so that's something important to note. Dije, yo dije. Okay, so this is the verb decir conjugated for the personal pronoun yo, I, but we don't have to say yo. We can just say dije, and that means I told. And in this situation, te means you. Te dije means I told you. Ten en mente lo que te dije. Keep in mind what I told you. Excellent. Let's look at another example using this important phrase. The next one is siempre tengo en mente mis objetivos. Siempre tengo en mente mis objetivos. And that means I always keep my goals in mind. Okay, so let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. Siempre means always. Tengo en mente, that's the phrase we're learning. Yo tengo en mente, we don't need yo. You can just say tengo. That means in this situation I keep, and then the rest of the phrase en mente, in mind. Mis means my. Objetivos, that means goals. I'm using mis because this is a plural noun, so we need to say mis, okay? Not me. That's used for singular nouns. We have a plural situation here, plural nouns, more than one goal, and that's why we need mis. Mis objetivos means my goals. Excellent. Remember, tener en mente means to keep in mind. You need to know the conjugation of this verb if you want to use this phrase. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Dale un me gusta si te gustó el video. Give it a like if you liked the video. Share more examples using this phrase. Comparte más ejemplos usando esta frase. Nos vemos. See ya. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Brianna L., Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Washti Bader, Formula Air JSE, Alan K., Diane McLaurin, James Torma, and Sherry Davis. If you want to support this channel and buy me a cup of coffee, please check out the Cafecito membership by clicking on the join button down below. Muchas gracias.